Okay, so next one is to show that the sound can travel through a liquid medium. Okay, so please see activity 9 and figure 13.11. Okay, now see, do this experiment in the tub filled with the water and hold a bale in one hand and dip it in water. Okay, just take a bale, put bale into the water. Okay, dip it in water, keep one of your ear gently on the surface of water. Can you hear the bell? You will be hear the bell sound clearly. This shows that sound can travel through liquid also. Sound requires a medium to travel which can be solid, liquid or gas. With the help of experiment or activity 6, 7 and 9, we can say that sound requires a medium to travel which can be solid, liquid or gas. Okay, I hope you understand. Let us move to another important topic, which is speed of sound. Okay, speed of sound. Okay, the speed of sound in air at 20 degrees Celsius is about 340 meter per second. I repeat, 340 meter per second is the speed of sound at 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, this means that if you shoot your friend standing 340 meters away from you, could be hear shout after 1 second. Okay, means sound takes 1 second to travel 340 meters. Okay, in solid and liquids, the molecules are closer than they are in air, so the vibration are transferred faster to other molecules in solids and liquids than in air. Okay, therefore the speed of sound is maximum in solids, lesser in liquids and minimum in gases. Okay, so the speed of sound in different medium is little bit different. I repeat that whatever the molecules, we already discussed about the molecules of solid, liquid and gases. We know that the molecules of solid are tightly packed and the gap between two consecutive molecules of solid is comparatively very less. In liquid it is more than solid, and in gas the molecules, the gap between two consecutive molecules is larger than solid and liquid. Okay, that's why the vibration are transferred faster to the other molecules in solid and liquid than in air. Therefore the speed of sound is maximum in solid, lesser in liquids and minimum in gases. Okay, now in fact sound travel at the speed of 1500 meter per second in water and at 5000 meter per second in steel, but as you have already read at 340 meter per second in air. Okay, so we know that 340 meter per second is the speed of sound. Yes, but at 20 degrees Celsius. But sound travels at the speed of 1500 meter per second in water and 5000 meter per second in steel, because we know that the speed of sound is maximum in solid, okay, minimum in gas and lesser in liquid. Okay, that's why very low speed of sound is in air. That's why 340 meter per second in air, 5000 meter per second in steel, which is solid, okay, and 1500 meter per second in water. Compare the speed of sound in air to the speed of light, which is 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second. You will realize that sound takes about 3 seconds to travel 1 kilometer, where the light takes distance almost no time. Observe a person about 200 meter away from you using a hammer. You will find the sound of the hammer reaches you a fraction of a second after it strike. Okay, so there is two important things we always observe during this raining season. Okay, first is thunder and second is lighting. Okay, tell me what you see, what you observe first. You observe light first, okay, then after you hear the sound, you heard the sound, okay, of thunder. It means that the speed of light is greater than the speed of sound in air. Okay, we know that the speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second, and at a specific temperature at 20 degrees Celsius the speed of sound in air is 340 meter per second. Okay, now both these phenomena happen because light reaches you almost instantly, while sound takes some time to travel and reach to you. Okay, so this is all about speed of light. I hope you understand this lecture. One thing that I want to tell you, please focus on reading aspect. Read twice chapter, okay, running chapter, okay, and I hope you are making your notes, remembering each and every important topics, okay, and these things will help you to improve your knowledge in academics. Okay, thank you.